and welcome back to another episode of TalkBricks, where I bring you the latest in LEGO news and reviews. Michael here, and I'm so excited to bring you guys day number 5 of the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar. It's been so much fun unboxing this with you guys, and let's find out what's behind door number 5. And here we have a mini build of a sand crawler. This is a really nice mini build, and I especially like the way that they use those angled slopes to create the different lines of the sand crawler. At the very front we have that clear yellow tile, which is very reminiscent of the one we got in the LEGO set. This is sitting on a base of Technic parts to create the treads, and you can even turn it. And here's a quick shot of this sand crawler next to the Jawa minifigure we got yesterday. And you can see that they make a nice little team, but they're not quite to scale. Don't forget to subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on day 6. Stay tuned for more. Thanks, and have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any of the days of the Advent calendar. Join me as I open up each day one by one, and we count down the days together.